early lead is taken by Batong Silyar by Rail Henry VIII and Mr. Integrity on the farther outside. It's Batong Silyar in the lead, followed by Haywire on the farther outside. Henry VIII, Mr. Integrity getting better, moving up by the rail. And Love Story, Grand Homer, Dumadagundong is bringing up the rear. Heading for the backstretch, Batong Silyar by Alain Canharp. Haywire running in second, Mr. Integrity on the outside, in third by the rail. Henry VIII in fourth, getting better, Grand Homer, Love Story, and Dumadagundong. Nearing the pattern, the lead is taken over now by Haywire, Batong Silyar, Mr. Integrity, and Henry VIII, Grand Homer, getting better. Rounding the pattern, the lead is taken over now by Mr. Integrity on the outside. It's Mr. Integrity, followed by Henry VIII and Haywire. Grand Homer moving up on the farther outside, Batong Silyar by the rail. And at the last bend for home, it's Mr. Integrity on the outside, Grand Homer on the farther outside, and by the rail is Henry VIII, Haywire, and Grand Homer. And into the home stretch, Grand Homer on the outside, and by the rail, Mr. Integrity and Henry VIII. It's Mr. Integrity in the lead, followed by Grand Homer on the outside, and Henry VIII by the rail. But it's still Mr. Integrity in the lead. It's Mr. Integrity, and moving up now on the outside is Grand Homer and Dumadagundong on the farther outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's a close finish between entries number 7, Grand Homer,